Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. This is Jubaer Ahmed. So today I'm gonna share with you how to make the button input and div and semantic in HTML, and then how to use show in your website. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I open this one, then I'll write here. So how to make import here. So I write input, so almost came here, click there, then came the text. Okay, after that control S. If I go to the website, then I refresh this one, so I got one input here. Okay, suppose that if I add label here. Okay, here I write the label, I click the label, then here I write put your email. Just wait. Put your email. Control S. Then I go to the website. Then I will give the refresh. So now I give the refresh. This one not okay. No problem. I have to write here. Control S. Then I go there. Then need to refresh this one. See, here is the put your mail here. Suppose that if I give here, I mean bar, okay, BR closing, control S. After that, if I go to the website and refresh, see, here is the game. Put your email. Okay, now I make it the bigger. Okay, so now I give another input here. So I make another input here. I write, okay, so here I write password, PASS password, WORD password here. Before I write here one label, so label here I write here password. Okay, after that control S, then I go to website, then I refresh this one, then came the password here. So if I do same like the same, I have to go code and then write end of the level BR. Okay, control S. Now I go to website, then refresh. So see, here is the okay. If I go, okay, I give here control S, I go to website, then refresh. This one came. Okay, no problem. Here if I try now, control S, then I go to the website. After that, see, this one came like that. To put the this one came like that. Okay, no problem. Control S. So now how to make the button here B U double T O N button. Then I click this one here. Suppose that here I write the submit S U B meet M I submit here. Okay, Control S. Then I go to the website. Then I refresh this one. So this one came. Suppose here I write Jubaer Ahmed 2266 at gmail.com. Then I write the password. Okay, then I submit this one. Okay, after that I will go how to add the div here. Suppose that here I write the div DIB. Then I click here. Then I copy all the pattern here. Then I put. Okay, Control S. After that I go the website and click this one came. Okay, so how to make this span? Suppose that here I write span SPA and span tick. I take something from website. About Bangladesh. Okay, then I take this one. Okay, suppose that here, all right, I make one paragraph tick. Okay, so the spin tick, Control S. If I go to website and refresh this one came like that. So I made it the span tick. Okay, SPA and span tick here. Okay, so I put inside, then Control S. After that I go to the website, then I refresh this one. See what is the between. Bay of Bengal, Indian. Control S. Now I go to the website. Okay. So now so that was my video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So I want to tell you guys, if you face any problem, please put your suitable comment in the comment.